And friends, those of you who may not know me, my name is Javier, and I'm Nestor's younger brother. Obviously, my parents were a little bit disappointed with the first attempt, so we decided to try again.
Good one.
I'm just kidding. I'm truly honored that Nestor asked me to be his best man. But when he first asked me, he also mentioned the disclaimer. He specifically asked me to refrain from mentioning any of his ex-girlfriends in my speech.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, that's part of my speech, but only by 5 seconds. I've known Nestor for about 29 years. My mom introduced us, and ever since, we've been real close. Like any typical younger brother, I always looked up to my big bro. Everything he did, I always had to do. The sports he played, of course, I had to play. The music he listened to, I had to listen to. And the trouble we got into, well, that I have to tell my parents about. Being that I spent so much time next to my big brother, I just wanted to share my perspective on the kind of guy he is. And I think most of you might agree that Nestor is the kind of guy who unintentionally makes most other guys look bad. For the guys in the room, how many times has your girlfriend, one time or another, said, "Did you see Nestor's sweet Facebook status talking about the other?" Why can't you do more? What can I say? Nestor is truly a hopeless romantic who goes above and beyond to make his moment feel truly special. Although wearing your heart on your sleeve and loving someone with every last cell in your body tends to put you in a vulnerable position, I'm happy that you truly found that special someone who appreciates his sincere heart and appreciates his heart to the fullest extent. Ever since I met Danielle, I can truly tell that she's easily one of the most sweetest and caring individuals that I have ever met. She's the kind of girl that goes for the more modest and shy guy, not the flashy and obnoxious kind of guy. Luckily for my brother. I'd like to share a story with you. I remember one time, my brother and I were at my parents' house, and this was shortly after Nestor met Daniela, and she ended up calling him. When Nestor picked up, I could tell it was one of their first conversations because he was very busy, and you could hear the purpose of his voice, right? So, not that I was eavesdropping or anything, but apparently, I think Daniela had asked him, what is it you look for in a woman? So my brother proceeded to answer. He's like, well, I like someone who is sweet, caring, ambitious, and so my brother seemed like he was stuck, right? So me being the smooth Casanova that I am, I said, let me help my big brother out. So I go in front of him and I'm like, I mouth the words, good sense of humor. So he looks at me like, huh? But he apparently didn't get it. So I tried again. I began like, a good sense of humor. And he goes to Danielle on the phone, he's like, I'm sorry, let me go to my room with less distractions. So apparently I didn't help him out. But he didn't do too bad for himself. Since we're here tonight, he has a beautiful bride by his side tonight. And isn't she absolutely stunning tonight, guys? I would just like to close by saying the following. Ness, you've been truly an inspiration and a great brother to me. You've always been with me faithfully and unconditionally. And I'm sure that you will continue that trend as a husband to Daniela. And Daniela, what can I say? You're beautiful both inside and out. Your smile always lights up the room, and everybody here loves you so much. And it gives me great pride to say welcome to our family. To the bride and the groom, we wish you much happiness and love in the future. Together, united as one. Thank you.